Okay, hey guys, today I bring you two latest pad in the market, and the right one is Nubia Pad3D, and this is a 3D tablet in the market, and the left one is the Doogee tablet T20. It's just a normal and cost-effective tablet product from a brand called Doogee, and this brand they focus on the larger devices. And yes, so both of them are the new wrist model from each brand, and this one it's got a small size 10.4 and 2K display resolution. The right one is a Nubia Pad3D. It's a 12.4 inch 2.5K display resolution, and here for the 3 pad they provide all kinds of 3D application, games, player, videos, and recording and creation. So it's a 3D ecosystem to provide. And we can for the Doogee T20 and Nubia Pad3D, we can find there are a lot of similarities between these two devices. So they have a very big difference on the specifications and the features, but the design language is same. The left corner is the camera, and it have a magnetic connection and 4 stereo speakers, and also the power buttons and the volume button are the same. Yes, we take another angle to check it, and both of them they got a matte back panel and not easy to get left your fingerprint, and the sand polishing material is really comfortable and very nice. So to personally speaking, I really like it. It's a very simple design. Also we can find both of them have a dual camera. For the Nubia Pad3D, have a dual 60 megapixel rear camera, and it have a 8 megapixel front camera. As to the Doogee T20, have a 60 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. And also for the chips, a big difference between the two devices. The Doogee used the Unisoc T616, but the Nubia Pad3D they use Snapdragon 888. It's get a 3.2 maximum gigahertz in octa-core, 8GB RAM plus 28GB RAM. It supports LPDDR5 as well. The size is big, so it's got a 9270 mAh battery. But for Doogee T20, they have 8300 battery with 8GB RAM plus 256GB RAM. And for the speakers, get high-res audio certifications. And here for the camera, and another big difference is the Nubia Pad3D got a 3D camera, and they worked with a company from the United States called Layer. So this company can signal correctly and continuously show you the 3D how to use the software to create 3D videos. Yes, so here, yes, we can take to check the difference between these two devices. The size for the Doogee T20 is our 7.9 mm is a thin. The thickness and the weight is 478. For the Nubia Pad3D, it's have a 8.45 mm and weight 780 gram. So it's much weight heavy, a bit heavy than the Doogee T20, and the size is also big. But both of them they put their logo in the middle of the pad, and here's a magnetic connection I mentioned above, so you can connect to the keyboard. You can use this as a laptop. Yes, so that's very convenient for you to use it. And also the volume buttons and the power buttons are the same position as well. Yes, so this is similarities between these two devices. To be frank, these two devices are mainly focused on get a different kind of people in the different position. So one is very cost effective, it's around $200 to $300, but another one is very expensive. It's around $1,500. So this much expensive. The Nubia Pad and the Type-C and speaker. I mean, this is the similarities between these two devices, between these two tablets. Same position, same buttons, same functions, even the camera. And here's the size difference. It's very nice from this angle, and we compare it this way, so it's very easy to recognize it and easy to tell the difference between the size. Frank, I personally don't like the too big size tablet. Not easy to hand on and very heavy, and if you put hands on your hand, it's for a long time it will feel tight. So here is the front side. As I mentioned, for the Doogee T20, it's a 10.4 inch 2K display resolution display, and it also supports 2048 levels pressure sensitivity stylus, so you can use a pen to touch it. It's very convenient. And also for the Nubia Pad3D, is our 2.4 inch IPS LCD screen, 2560 by 6000, is almost 22.5K display resolution. Screen to body ratio is 16 by 10. Another function bodies is support 120 Hz refresh rate. And now I test the front camera. Yes, you know that for the Nubia Pad3D, it can continuously create 3D videos, both rear camera and front camera, because you have worked with AI, and you can AI layer, so you can use this to record 3D videos at easily and conveniently. So this is very nice. And also this Nubia Pad3D is world's first AI driven naked eye 3D tablet in the market, and the first time I saw this product is in the MWC in Spain, and also the first time I saw the Doogee T20 is also as a MWC 2023. And here is the we can talk the Nubia Pad3D separately. Yes, here I'm show you the resources they provide. We can switch from 2D to 3D easily, and we can adjust it, and you can see how they can make the 2D pictures images to 3D, and we can adjust the dips. So this is a very easy way for us to see it, because I think if you saw the pictures in the videos, if I switch it from 2D 3D, it cannot feel it's the 3D images, but if you see it in real life, it's more real. So just now I show you how to use it, how they transfer it from 2D to 3D. And from they got the front. Yes, so this is also the speakers, dual 4 speakers, and also the front camera. They will attract your eyeballs to track real time, or attract your eyeball to create a 3D without any other devices. So this worked with AI. Yes, here is they also provide a small window to show you how they do it. So this is pretty cool, personally, I think. Yes. And besides the high-res audio, the Doogee T20 supported. I forget to tell you that the Nubia Pad3D also supported Dolby Atmos sound qualities. And here is the front camera to record 3D videos at real time, and it's easy to get 3D. And here is to show you the 3D, and here you can switch from 2D to 3D easily. So I think in the video it's not easy to tell it, but in real life you see it, you can feel it. So okay, so
T20.
let's make a conclusion.
Nubia.
Two tablets product for you. The left one is Doogee T20. It's a cost-effective product in the market and made by a brand called Doogee. This brand, they do smartphones and larger phones in the market. And here, the right one is Nubia Pad3D. This is a big brand in the market, and they do all kinds of products, gaming phones, and normal phones. Yes, so here, and I also mentioned the specification between these devices. They focus on different people. One is most cost-effective, low-end, but the right one for the Nubia Pad is they focus on high-end products, and this product is unique in the market. So big difference between these two devices. But also, as I mentioned, they also get some similarities just on the design. Camera design, camera position, and the button position, and even the design language, the materials, and the styles are very similar each other.
Frame plastic.
So so let me know which one you prefer, or I can ask in this way because they're two different. Maybe just give your comment, your thought on these two devices.
2, 3, 4.
Cost-effective, high-end, but high technology 3D tablet.
3, 4 speakers. So
not everyone can buy it.
So design. These two products.
But both of them are the new in the market. Doogee T20 and the Nubia Pad3D.
GB RAM plus 26 GB RAM.
And the Nubia Pad3D, big battery, big size. Display is good. 9220 batteries with 33-watt fast charging. And for the Doogee T20 is have 4300 with 18-watt fast charging. And last, let me show you the videos I record. And as I told you, if I use it in 3D, you cannot feel it's a 3D videos because it cannot get very different feelings, 3D feelings in the videos. But if you real time, you can feel in real life, you can feel the difference between the 2D and 3D videos. So maybe you can buy one to experience it, and you can feel the amazing 3D pad performance. Okay, thanks for watching my video. That's the end. Bye bye.